Thank you for coming back to PolkaDotMailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I want to show you what I created for Angela, who is LovePinkDragonflies, and this was a group swap that we did, and it was called 5 and 5, and you were supposed to create 5 things and give 5 gifts. So I'm just going to take everything that I've got out of the box. I was very purposefully creating everything and planning exactly what would fill this box that I have. So the first thing that I'll show you here are the wrapped gifts. So these are gifts, all Christmas themed for the Christmas in July swap. And these are cookie cutters in here. This is winter face masks in this one. I'm actually going to show you cute little face masks. In here is a really cute pair of socks, and it is wrapped in a little cozy Christmas sweater. There. This is a mini album that is Christmas themed, that she can create her own mini album. So those are the first 4, and then the 5th one, it looks actually so small. This is an entire kit. In here is a Doodlebug Christmas collection. I've given her a Chit Chat, a ephemera pack, a set of ribbons, sequins, doodle pops, as well as a paper pad. That is all in this tiny little package, which you would never guess normally. So those are the purchased gifts that I have given her, and some are like scrapbook related, some are personal items. And then the 5 things that I have made for her are these items here. We're going to go here. So let's start with this one right here. So this is a little caddy that has candy cups inside. And I took this caddy from Stampin' Up. I was going to make my own, but they have these caddies available, or they did at least have them available in their shop, and they were on clearance. So what I did was I basically cut a piece of paper to fit every part of the caddy, and then I was able to stitch that on and decorate each piece, and you can see all of the details. I left the blank very plain, and then I added a little tag, and then just little cups of candy as a treat to go inside, and these little cups fit perfectly in there. So that is the gift number 1. Gift number 2 is this fun little tea cozy, and inside there are a variety of Tim Hortons teas and these tags that I've made with a really pretty topper on them. It's starting to get bent the way it was sitting in the box, but there's lots of little details on these. I've made this layered tree, and on the other side, a layered flower, more tea, and then this other cute little tag here as a little gift. So I'm going to wrap that up pretty, but I wanted to show that to you first. I have created here a whole packet of rosettes, and I can show you each of these that I have created. So I used the Simple Stories Winter Cottage collection to create all of these rosettes. Actually, pretty much everything in this swap was created with that collection. I like to pick a single collection and have a cohesive theme, although I did bring in one other collection. I had some pieces from the, I think it's just called Christmas from Cartabella. And it coordinated pretty well, and I did grab a couple of things like this stocking. This stocking is from that, but it coordinated so well. It was just a black and white that I used that same sort of thing. So I was using up a little bit of the extras from a collection that I previously had. So you can see all of the different layering that I've done. I used my Tim Holtz rosette dies to create these. Super cute. Some of them are very simple. I was originally thinking I would create just a set of dies for her to make her own, and then I decided, you know what, why don't I decorate them for her? And it's always a nice little treat to be able to use the embellishments that are already completely prepared for you. So those are in there like that. And I got this fun bag, this iridescent bag from the dollar store locally here. And then I just topped it with a little tag. That's the third one there. The fourth gift that I've made for her is one of these little mini totes or purses, whatever you want to call it. I put one of my butterflies on there. You can see I stitch around all of the different elements to create the tote. And then I filled it with handmade goodies that I have made for her. I do have a link to the tutorial on how to make these Christian's Crafty Adventures, where I first discovered these, and I've been loving them so much. I've made them so many times in so many different collections. So this is the first time I've made a Christmas one. So I've gifted her some of my butterflies here. I made this fun little envelope tag pocket set. And there's a couple more butterflies, Christmas collections. Inside these two, I have little globes that I have created, little shakers. Cute little, and then this fun little vellum envelope, which I always love. It's a perfect little house to add these little guys in. I made that flower. Go there. Made her those. Here's another envelope with a tag inside with a little charm on top. Just says hello. Another butterfly's hiding in there, just like the one that I put on the package. And then I made her a set of these flowers, and I just packaged them up like so. So I'm going to tuck these back inside here. And she has all these fun little embellishments to go through, and then she can use to add to her projects. I think I'm going to put some of these facing the back so that if she looks at it from that side, she'll see a variety of items there. There. Okay, so that's filled there. And then last but not least, I have created a banner. I can just go through each of the flags that I have created. Again, all that same collection. It's really cute layering and a lot of simple design. Here I've just taken a consistent red flag, like paper for the background. I used my die cuts to cut out these two shapes here, and then I just decorated the set, and you can see all the layering and the pieces that I used. And then I've left her lots of string on the end so it can hang. She can tie it up onto something, or she can tie a bow, whatever suits like where she would like to put it on display. And then it's really easy to fold back up. And I'm going to wrap this up, but I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So there will be another video I would have posted already. I haven't received my package yet as the time that I'm filming this, because I'm just about to send my swap off to Angela, and I haven't received what she is sending to me yet. But once everyone has their packages, and which will have already occurred if you're watching this, we will be having links that you can follow the YouTube hop, and you can see everything that everyone else gave and received. And the idea was to be 5 and 5, and these are my 5 handmade items, and I'm excited to see what 5 and 5 things other people have come up with. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link down below for all the other swaps that you can view during this Christmas in July swap. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.